Dear Church, thank you for standing for unity, even though we're all different, for protecting the unity of the Spirit, the bond of peace, even when it means you have to surrender your opinions sometimes, for holding to one Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father who is over all, even when the big picture church seems to confuse the matter, for supporting our elders and staff and praying for them, even when sometimes in their humanness they miss something that's important to you. Thank you for not complaining when your coffee order was slow and we stopped serving donuts. That could have been a big tragedy. But you didn't let it. Thank you for not quitting when things got tough, like when someone moved the crayons in the kids' workroom or when a preacher said something you found to be personally offensive. Thank you for staying with us even when we relocated in 2000 and supported buildings and more buildings and more buildings. Thank you for joining us as we always try to keep the main thing, which is to keep Jesus the hero of our story. And personally, thank you for laughing at my bunny joke. It really wasn't funny. But if you've never gotten to hear it, ask Dan. He can tell it to you. He loves it. Sincerely, Scott.
Sarah